Standard 7, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 7. Consumers in the Market. We all know that in our houses there are lots of equipments, tools, various things which are important to make our life easy and well-being. There are furniture, food, clothing, electronic tools, equipments, and various others small and big things available in our house, which makes our life easygoing and to live a happy life. These all things which are available in our home are not made by us, but we have purchased it from the market. So, as we are purchasing the things from the market, we can be considered as the consumer. The consumer means, in simple sentence, consumer means a person who is using the products purchasing from the market. We all purchase goods or products from the market. Some products are produced in farm and some products are produced in factory. For example, food, wheat, rice, dal, etc. are the necessary things which is needed in our life. These are produced in the farm, whereas electronic equipments like fridge, washing machine, TV or any other clothes, etc. are produced in factories. So we have to buy these products from the factory. There are two types of market, and second is mall. Market, we can purchase the goods of our daily needs from market as well as mall. This too has different scenario where we can purchase our goods according to our budget and according to our purchasing capacity. People having high purchasing capacity or high salary or financial resources can purchase goods from the mall which has high price and are also branded. But some of the things we cannot purchase from the mall. For example, vegetables, fruits or small things which does not need any brand or high price can be purchased in market. Other than this, many things can also be purchased by the market. But as a consumer, there are various terms which are taken into consider before purchasing any product from market as well as from the mall. We purchase many things from different types of market like shop in society or weekend market like Saniwari, etc. Big shopping complexes, shopping centers, malls, etc. One has to pay money to purchase goods from this market. The person who pays and purchases a product is known as consumer. It is observed that in spite of spending money, consumers are not satisfied with the product they purchased. It is not necessary that the product we are purchasing is always giving satisfaction to the people who are purchasing it. Sometimes more money has been spent by the consumer to get high quality product, but they cannot get it. So to save money and to get a qualitative product in a satisfactory price, consumer has to be aware of many terms and conditions. As a consumer, we have to get a good quality products and not to suffer a loss. This is the prime or basic need of a consumer. It is a right of consumer to get a good quality product from the seller. Consumer is considered as the king of the market. If there are no consumer, then there will be no selling of the product. For this, the government has sanctioned particular symbols or marks for different products tested by them. Government helps consumer to get a good quality products for which they have tested many of the products and symbolize that product that this product is a qualitative product. For this, these are the various symbols given by the government. When you see the first symbol on any agricultural product such as fertilizer or pesticides or any other product of agriculture, egg mark symbol is given. Second is ISI symbol, which is used for household products, for example, pressure cooker, electronic equipments, or any other products which are used in household work. Second is wool mark product, woolen products, sweaters, shawl, etc. are wool mark product is given by the government, which shows that this product is a qualitative product. Last is BIS hallmark. This hallmark is given or used for silver and gold ornament, which certifies that the quality of gold or silver is approved by the government and it is safe. Other than this, there are various symbols used by the government on food packets. If you see any food packet with a green or red symbol on it, it means the green symbol shows that the food in the packet is vegetarian food and the red color mark shows that there are non-vegetarian edibles. Other than this mark, you can also see the ingredients used in the food packet, on which date the food is produced or packed, on which date it is transported. Even you can see the expiry date of the food on the food packet. Price of the food packet is also seen. Other than this, the food produced in which factory is also given on the food packet. So we can assure the quality of the food product. Other than this, there are many various ways where consumers are cheated by the seller. So to stop this cheating and to give a qualitative product to the government, to the consumer, government has made various policies. Jago Grahak Jago was a campaign run by a government to aware the consumer for their right. There are various rights of consumer which can help them to get a quality product with a reasonable price. If they are not satisfied with goods or service of packaged commodity, or they can approach the consumer self and they can give details of the packet. If the right of consumer to know the gross weight of packed commodity and demand the printed receipt free of cost from retailer dealing in packed commodities. That means consumer has a right to get all the details of the packed product and they can also ask for the receipt or the bill of that product. It is the right of the consumer. Rights are given to consumers so that he or she can get the worth of value of their money by purchasing the product. They have right to get information about the goods, to choose and to complain if not satisfied with the purchased product. There are various options available in the market for one product. Various brands, various companies and various options are available for each and every product in the market. Consumer has right to get all the information about the product. They have right to choose the product from the options available and they can also complain to the seller or the company if product is not satisfied. These are the rights of the consumer. Other than this, the right to demand for the bill of the goods purchased is also important right, so as where there any problem occurs, consumer can ask for the compensation or they can complain to the consumer cell to protect their right. A part of bill amount goes to government, which is known as tax. Government use this money for our welfare. The consumer has the right to complain about the product if he or she is not satisfied with it. In October 2005, the Indian government passed a law known as RTI, Right to Information. According to this, It gives the right to know about the functioning of various departments in government offices. If a person goes to any government offices, they can ask for the process done by the government officials in their department. They have right to ask the information about their processes. Other than this, there are various policies by the government to save the consumer exploitation. Consumer can also file a case against the company or the seller if any fraud has been done with him with a full evidences. In this way, people can get a quality product at reasonable price and can also save their human or consumer rights. This chapter is completed and you have to write this chapter in your workbook, and you can see all the informations given on various products. You have to taken into consideration the symbols whenever you are purchasing a good. It is our right and responsibility as a consumer to take a bill for each and every items we purchased. Thank you.